Hello friends, today we are going to learn directional derivative, examples on directional derivative. So how we find the directional derivative? For that we have to use formula dd is equal to del phi dot a cap, where del phi is gradient of phi and a cap is the unit vector along the direction vector. So after this session, learner will be able to find the directional derivative along different directional vectors. Okay. So today we will take first problem here. Find the directional derivative of phi is equal to xy square plus yz cube at point 1 minus 1 1 along the vector I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar towards the point 2 1 minus 1, means from this point to this point, and along the direction normal to the surface this at point 1 to 2. So we will solve one by one. Actually these are the three problems, only phi is same here. For solving the problems on dd, directional derivative, most important thing is in any problem, if scalar point function phi is given, first try to find del phi. Del phi is very important. After getting del phi, then use this directional vectors. Okay. So phi given, you have to find directional derivative of this scalar point function. Phi is equal to xy square plus yz cube at point 1 minus 1 1. So first we have to find del phi here. Del phi is I bar dabba phi by dabba x plus j bar dabba phi by dabba y plus k bar dabba phi by dabba z. Okay. So phi is this, take derivative of phi with respect to x, y, z. Dabba phi by dabba x is equal to derivative of phi with respect to x is y square, because with respect to x, y and z are constant, so derivative of y z cube is 0. Similarly, dabba phi by dabba y is derivative of y square is 2y, so 2xy, and dabba phi by dabba z is dabba phi by dabba z is derivative of z cube is 3z square, so here 3yz square. Okay, derivative of xy square is 0. So put all these derivatives here, and therefore del phi is equal to I bar into dabba phi by dabba x, that is y square, plus j bar into dabba phi by dabba y is 2xy, plus k bar into dabba phi by dabba z is 3yz square. So this is del phi at point xyz, but our question is find directional derivative of phi at point 1 minus 1 1, and therefore del phi at point 1 minus 1 1 is equal to, means here put x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. So if we put y equal to minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1, that is I bar. Then y equal to minus 1, x equal to 1, minus 2 j bar. And here also y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1, so minus 3 k bar. So this is the value of del phi at point 1 minus 1 1. So for solving all these three problems 1 2 3, we have to use this del phi as it is. Okay. Now first one is solution of first one is this one. Question is find the directional derivative of phi at point 1 minus 1 1 along the vector. Along the vector means this I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. So take this vector is equal to say a bar. A bar is equal to I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. This is given vector. Now to find directional derivative, we know formula directional derivative of phi is equal to del phi dot a cap, where a cap is unit vector of directional vector. This means using a bar we can find a cap. And what is del phi? Del phi is I bar minus 2j bar minus 3k bar dot a cap. A cap is a bar upon magnitude of a bar. Okay, so can be written as equal to I bar minus 2j bar minus 3k bar dot a bar. A bar is I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar upon its magnitude, that is under root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. So after simplification, what is this? Dot product 1 into 1, coefficient of I bar, j bar, k bar, only take multiplication of that. So 1 into 1 is 1, then minus 2 into plus 2, that is minus 4, and then minus 3 into plus 3 is minus 9, divided by under root of 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 14. So this is 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 9 minus 12 upon root 14. So this is the final answer, minus 12 upon root 14. So this is the directional derivative of phi along the vector I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. Okay, now second one is, we will start solution of second here, that is find a question is same, find the directional derivative of phi is equal to xy square plus yz cube at point 1 minus 1 1 towards the point means from point A to point B, and A point given a 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1, and B point given a here 2 1 minus 1. So towards the point B means you have to find position vector AB here, and position vector AB is vector B bar minus A bar, that is 2 minus 1 into I bar plus 1 plus 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 1 into J bar, and plus minus 1 minus 1 into K bar. So after simplification, this is I bar plus 2J bar minus 2K bar equal to A bar. Say this is the directional vector. Okay, so for directional derivative, what we want a cap. So a cap is unit vector, that is a cap is equal to A bar upon magnitude of A bar, can be written as I bar plus 2J bar minus 2K bar upon under root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, and therefore directional derivative of phi or dd is equal to, formula is del phi dot a cap, and del phi use previous, that is I bar minus 2j bar minus 3k bar, this is already find, dot a cap, that is I bar plus 2j bar minus 2k bar upon under root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. So how we write this dot product? This dot product can be written as, this 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into minus plus 2 is minus 4, minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6 upon root 9. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 minus 4 is 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. So answer is 1. Okay, then third one is we have to find directional derivative of phi at point 1 minus 1 1 along the direction normal to the surface given a, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 at point 1 to 2. So we have to assume first this surface is equal to, say, phi 1, because phi is already used, so take phi 1 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 9. Okay, so using this we have to find del phi 1, but del phi 1 is I bar dabba phi 1 by dabba x plus j bar dabba phi 1 by dabba y plus k bar dabba phi 1 by dabba z. So what is dabba phi 1 by dabba x? That is 2x I bar here derivative plus 2i j bar plus 2z k bar. So find del phi at point 1 to 2, 1 to 2. So we write here, that is 2 I bar x equal to 1 put here plus y equal to 2, if you put here 2 into 2 4 j bar, z equal to 2 into 2 4 k bar. This is, say, a bar. Okay, this is the directional vector. Now how we write directional derivative? So formula is directional derivative is equal to del phi dot a cap, again del phi is same, that is I bar minus 2j bar minus 3k bar dot a cap is a bar upon magnitude of a bar is equal to I bar minus 2j bar minus 3k bar dot 2i bar plus 4j bar plus 4k bar upon under root of 4 plus 16 plus 16. So this is equal to, what is this dot product? 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, and then minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, divided by this 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 4 is 38, under root of 38. So this is minus 22 upon root 38. This is the directional derivative. Okay, so in this video we learn how to find directional derivative of phi along the given vectors. In next video again we will take some problems on directional derivative, that is using tangent vector. Okay.